Exploring exotic flavors, cooking with international spices. Welcome to Exploring Exotic Flavors, Cooking with International Spices. In this captivating culinary adventure, we will take you on a journey around the world through the vibrant and aromatic universe of international spices. Get ready to unlock the secrets of global cuisine as we delve into the incredible diversity and flavors that these spices bring to your kitchen. Whether you are an experienced chef or an amateur cook, this video is your passport to elevate your dishes to new levels of deliciousness. Join us as we explore the incredible array of international spices and discover how to expertly incorporate them into your everyday cooking. Exotic flavors. International spices. Global cuisine. Culinary adventure. Elevate your dishes. Welcome to Exploring Exotic Flavors, Cooking with International Spices. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey like no other? In this video, we will take you around the world, introducing you to an incredible variety of international spices and their unique flavors. Get ready to bring exciting new tastes to your everyday cooking and elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Let's dive in. Spices have been used for centuries to add depth, aroma, and distinctive flavors to cuisines worldwide. They are the magical ingredients that transform ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary experiences. Join us as we uncover the secrets of spices from different countries, exploring their history, characteristics, and stunning flavor profiles. Exotic flavors, spice origins and history. Beautiful visuals of different countries, highlighting their spices. Our first stop on this spice-filled adventure takes us to the enchanting lands where these exotic flavors originate. From the fragrant cardamom of India to the fiery chili peppers of Mexico, every spice has a story to tell. We'll dive deep into the rich history and cultural significance of these spices, discovering how they have shaped the unique cuisines of their respective regions. Each spice has its own remarkable qualities that can add complexity and depth to your dishes. From the warm and earthy tones of cumin to the citrusy zing of lemongrass, we'll explore their distinct aromas and tastes. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these exotic spices and learn how they can transport your taste buds to far-off lands. Elevate your dishes, cooking with international spices. Now that we've explored the origins and flavors of international spices, it's time to put them to use in your kitchen. Whether you prefer vegetarian delights or succulent meat dishes, these spices have the power to transform your cooking. From tantalizing grise to mouthwatering marinades, we'll show you how to incorporate these exotic flavors into your favorite recipes. Step-by-step visuals of spice-infused recipes being prepared. Join us in this cooking extravaganza as we demonstrate the art of using international spices in everyday cooking. From a fragrant Moroccan tagine to a spicy Thai curry, you'll learn how to balance and combine these spices to create unforgettable dishes. Let your inner chef be inspired and watch as your taste buds embark on a global adventure of flavors. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the world of international spices. We hope you've been inspired to infuse your kitchen with the exotic flavors of different cultures. So, grab your apron, sharpen your knives, and let's embark on a culinary adventure you'll never forget. Stay tuned for more delicious videos, and until then, happy cooking! Welcome to Exploring Exotic Flavors, Cooking with International Spices. Get ready to unlock the secrets of global cuisine as we delve into the incredible diversity and flavors that these spices bring to your kitchen. Join us on a journey around the world through the vibrant and aromatic universe of international spices. Whether you are an experienced chef or an amateur cook, this video is your passport to elevate your dishes to new levels of deliciousness. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the mesmerizing world of exotic flavors and international spices.